I have a question for you. Do you find it difficult to discipline yourself to do the truly important things? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to share some ideas on how to develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is a set of rules that I make for myself and I follow it under any circumstances to achieve a particular goal. Without self-discipline, you cannot achieve any goal, whether it is to be healthy, whether it is to eat healthy, whether it is to quit smoking, whether it is to become a doctor, whether it is to change careers. We begin with great enthusiasm, but then somewhere along the way, our enthusiasm fizzles out and we get distracted by a number of things and number of issues. Self-discipline is something that keeps you on track. While making this video, guess what? What did I need to make this video? Self-discipline. Without self-discipline, I would not have been able to make this video. So let me share some ideas on how to develop self-discipline. So here are some things you need to work on. And I'm going to relate it to the example of making a video. First, very important is purpose. You need to have a very strong purpose. You need to have a meaningful purpose. So I want to make videos. Why? Because I want to share some positive ideas, powerful ideas which will make a difference in the lives of people. And the people not in Mumbai or not in India but all over the world. Now this is a very powerful purpose for me. So purpose has to be strong and it has to be meaningful. If you don't see meaning in it, you will not really follow through. Number two, very important, is you need to have some role models. And we need role models because they inspire us. Now, I was motivated and inspired to make videos when I saw my gurus making some great videos. So whether they are Jim Rohn or Brian Tracy or Anthony Robbins or Wayne Dyer or Dennis Waitley. So when I look at them, I say, if these people can make these videos, I can also do it. They inspire me. So you need some strong, good role models. And the next important thing is you need a sensory-rich vision of success also. So in my mind, I'm able to see that after my video is ready, it should look like this. So when you can see that video, the vision of that video in your mind, you will work towards it to make it a reality. So vision. The next important thing you need is planning and being organized. Now if I want to make a video, I need to plan. What am I going to say in the video? What is this video going to be about? How long should the video be? And whom am I targeting? And what do I want the person to do after they see my video? So I need to do some planning. I also need to plan about the lighting and the equipment and the venue where will I shoot, what will be the background, the colors, and the dress I will be wearing. Many things you have to be planning well. Then you need a learning attitude. Now I was not able to make videos, though I wanted to make videos like those gurus, but to make a video I had to learn many things. I had to learn how to use the camera, I had to learn how to get the right lighting, I had to learn how to get the right kind of sound, I had to learn how to edit the video. So without that learning attitude, I would not have been able to make this video. So learning is very important. Another important thing is for self-discipline, you need a lot of patience. Once I was making a video, so I put up the camera there, I stood here with great confidence and with full power and full enthusiasm, I gave my presentation. And after I looked at the video, I had messed up the video. I forgot to insert the audio jack into that, and the result was there was no audio. And I was really frustrated. Though I don't have hair, I felt like pulling my hair. So you need to be patient. So I shot the video again and tried to get that same enthusiasm also. And that requires self-discipline. And the last very important thing is being persistent. Things will not happen your way, you will get frustrated, and if you are not persistent, then having self-discipline is very difficult. You need to be persistent, you need to persevere. So, these things are important to achieve any kind of a goal, right? So let me just recap them for you. If you want to be self-disciplined, you need to be clear about your purpose. You need to have a role model. You need to have a sensory-rich vision of your success. You need to be planning and being organized. You need to plan and be organized. You need to be patient and you need to be persistent. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. So thanks for watching. I love making videos for you. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, Namaskar.